Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love read now. Let's see what's going on in your love life now, Libra. How you're feeling, how your partner's feeling, and how your energies are combining. So these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with each and every one of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? And just leave the rest. So, my angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Libra, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels has blessed this reading with the guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for you. Guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for my Libra, my angels. This one, okay. All right, I'll take two actually. This one was also calling out to me. Okay, so let's put the rest back, Libra. And the cards I have for you here is safe travel and activist. Somebody needs to move towards somebody else and do it soon, Libra. I think somebody has to take some action here and do it quickly. The angels are urging you. And I mean, I've never got two cards for a blessing or a angel blessing card, but these two kind of pulled at me and I had to pick them up. So Spirit's saying, safe travel, activist, come on, push, push, push. Yeah, I think yes, you may be moving from one phase of your life to another, and action is required for that, right, Libra? So, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to me and the channel, for your lovely comments that you send me, your likes, your shares. Very appreciated. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here to the channel, Libra, yes, you of course are welcome here. We welcome you to subscribe to the channel, become part of us, and we welcome you. Yes, newbies, let me explain this to you. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. Now, for the duration of the reading, Libra, I will be mentioning them as person A and person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Bottom of my deck, I do see the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So not taking action, right? So you or your partner or both of you, there is no working towards each other right now, it seems. And my angels are guiding you. Safe travel, Libra. Action, action. You have to take action. But then I don't think there's any happening right now. So the first card I have, okay, first card I have on person A side is the Nine of Swords in reverse, Page of Pentacles in reverse, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Cups in reverse, Knight of Cups, oh my God, all reversals for person A. All reversals for person A. Let's see what person B is all about. The Moon, Five of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, Two of Swords, the World card, and the Sun card. This person B only has one card which is up right now, which is the Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. Looking for emotional happiness. And for that, they know that they have to make a decision. Okay, let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards here, Libra. See if you and your partner could say something to each other, that what that would be. From person A's energy, what I'm seeing is that no longer stressing over it. They have a kind of acknowledge that it's over. This commitment is over and out, basically. There is maybe no love here anymore. Whatever promises I was getting from person B were all false promises, and it's time I turn my back. For person B, I think once everything has, some secrets have been revealed now, which have actually put them in the doghouse. They're feeling abandoned, they're feeling lost, they're feeling upset, and now they want their wish fulfillment, but for that they know they have to make a decision. Person B doesn't want this chapter to close down because they're not happy without person A. Okay, so that's the first view that I got, but of course we'll clarify these cards later. So Libra and their person, Spirit. Libra and their person. Okay. And let's take a few more from here, Libra. Okay. So the first card I have here for you, Libra, is I'm a passionate sexual creature in my prime, but thanks to your continual running, I've been left burning up with fire. I can't even speak with anyone else without your sexual energy being all over me. If you want me, come and take me. Right? So that's what maybe Spirit is also saying. Go towards the person you want, Libra, or this is your cross watcher. I don't know who has to take action. Take some action, because person A is giving up hope that this person keeps promising me, but they don't do a thing. And I'm losing time here. I'm losing my prime time here. Okay. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. I think this could be your partner as well. Both of you are kind of missing the sexual connection that you guys had. Both of you maybe felt it. There was a lot of chemistry between the two of you, but one person is not traveling to the other or taking action. I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try and warn you about the fake people with bad intentions who are out to manipulate and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. Next card. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one, which I think is person B, because now they are realizing what they've lost, I think. Next card. I wish that you could love yourself the way I love you. I had to lose you to learn to love myself unconditionally so that you could then learn to do the same. So the first card was I love you. I've always loved you unconditionally, but you don't trust me, you trust other people. So I think this person has now said, okay, I would rather give that unconditional love to myself and move away from you, because maybe then you'll learn that nobody else is going to love you unconditionally. You'll learn to love yourself unconditionally then. So that you could learn and do the same. I am now shining brighter, and I have a path that you will one day see the true love and light within you, just as I do. Okay, so this person has pulled back their love. Now they're giving themselves unconditional love. They're saying, I've started shining. So maybe my over giving to you was the problem here. Now that I'm not giving to you, I hope that you will know that nobody else, all these fake people, will not give it to you. You'll have to give it to yourself. And once you start doing that, maybe you'll also start shining and be a better version of yourself for yourself first, before you can come back to me. You are all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. So there's a lot of hopeful energy coming from person B's end. But person A, I think, has turned their back and is no longer fighting for the connection. So let's clarify these cards now, Libra. 9 of Swords in reverse for person A. Yes, they've escaped a situation which was only giving them sleepless nights, giving them anxiety. They were not happy. They were always anxious. They were worried, having nightmares that their partners always maybe ghosting them, or maybe trusting other people, or had fake people around them, was not giving attention to them. So I think person A has snuck away from this relationship, and I think closed this chapter between the two of you. No longer wanting to work on a connection which is not giving them any satisfaction. Yes, person A has kind of put this relationship to a halt here. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Because they were not emotionally satisfied. Emotionally sexually, in every way. I think this person A was getting nothing out of person B. So they decided, then what's the point if I'm always going to be, unhappy and deprived all my life? Then I might as well get out of this relationship, which is giving me nothing, and put an end to it. Ten of Pentacles, yes, they have shut this chapter off completely, even though I think it hurt person A to, because they had hopes and dreams maybe that this could go the long haul, maybe we could be together for a long time, and they felt always abandoned and left out in the cold. They never felt that respect that they craved from person B, that attention they craved, or that love that they craved from person B for them. Always felt like just another side piece maybe. They I think have now started losing love for person B now. Why? Because they feel that person B only brings in false promises. I can't trust them anymore. They come with all these sweet nothings once in a while, but they amount to nothing. Ace of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Cups. Maybe you guys have had a fight as well. Yes, maybe whoever the masculine is in this relationship, maybe was very cold. Excuse me, was very very cold and harsh, and never was emotionally available. And whenever they did come in, they came in and out of maybe person's A's life. They never really poured any love. They were only very cold and harsh and rude sometimes, and this kind of started draining the love out of this relationship, I think, always making person A feel not good enough maybe, or hurt, or feeling left out. So Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Cups. So all these beautiful promises, oh, you're my sunshine, we'll be happy together, or at least that's what person A was hoping, that all these sweet nothings meant, that all these promises would one day, all these cups one by one, which this person was bringing to them. Look at these cups being brought in. One day coming, bringing a cup, next day coming, bringing a cup. So person A started to believe or imagine that all these cups would one day kind of add up and become the 10 of Cups. And there'll be emotional happiness, but not realizing that these cups were overturned. They were empty, right? So when a cup is upside down, what can it hold? Nothing. And when I think person A realized that all these cups have been empty all along, where am I going to find my water from, or my love from? Each and every cup was drained out. I think once person A realized that, they turned their back on this relationship and said, adios, I'm not interested. 3 of Wands, Spirit. Another cup, okay. Another cup which is upside down, yes. So all these cups actually were empty, and person A has now stopped fighting for this connection. They have turned their back on empty promises. Let's see person B. Person B has the moon in reverse. What's this moon in reverse, Spirit? Person B has now, I think, something has been cleared up for them. What's this moon in reverse? Oh my God. Okay, so something has become very clear to person B now, and they are now realizing that they made probably very unwise decisions in the past. They played mind games with their partner. They're understanding what happened here. I made unwise decisions. I was playing games with my partner. I was trying to one-up them. I was maybe insecure about myself, so I was stealing from them to make myself feel better. And oh my God, what did I do? What did I do here? They're looking at the investment or non-investment that they put into this relationship, and now are realizing that it was because they themselves maybe were very selfish in this relationship. Okay, now this person is feeling all is lost, and I'm now the one who's feeling, because I had ego, pride, I abandoned my partner earlier, and now the same thing is happening to me. I'm feeling now lost and rejected and neglected and alone. Five of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Now this person wants to get out of these troubled times that you guys are in, this fight that has happened between the two of you. They want somehow to kind of make peace once again. So you guys can come back in harmony and kind of be back together, because now they've realized my wish fulfillment was person A. This was my wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Yes, they don't want to now spend the rest of their life in regret. They've already understood what they had to understand. They've already been feeling foolish and neglected and sad and feeling like they didn't make the wise decision. But now this person is realizing, hey, this was like a soulmate. This was my twin flame probably, and what have I done? This was my wish fulfillment. I don't want to live the rest of my life in regret and sorrow. I have to make a decision here. I have to make a decision. I don't want this chapter to end just like that. Two of Swords, Spirit. Two of Swords. They know the decision they have to make. They have recognized their Empress now. They have recognized that this is the person I'm supposed to grow with, have abundance with, have fertility and joy and long term with, and they know who they want. They know who they want, but they also know that for that they will have to make a decision. They also know that this Empress is in the upright, right? They know that this is an all-knowing, intuitive Empress. They know that somebody has made a decision, this Empress has made a decision against them because they maybe were in third-party situations. Okay? Or maybe they came off or told person A this, or the Empress got to know from somewhere else, and they know now because of the secrets which have come out now, I may not be given another chance here. Maybe it's all over. The World in reverse, Spirit. World in reverse. World in reverse. They are wishing and hoping and praying that this chapter is not shut out yet. Yes, they do want to. This was trying to come out, I don't know which way, upright or upside down, so I'm going to put it back. So they are wishing and hoping and praying that I hope, there is still some hope and this chapter is not totally shut out right now. So the World in reverse, Spirit. Yes, but right now this person is, I think, almost in depression. They're almost in depression. They're sad, they're depressed, they are not finding value in any other offer that's coming their way, because now they've realized that person A was an Empress, and nobody can ever compete or compare with an Empress, right? No pages, queens, knights, nobody can take the place of an Empress here. So now all these cups are seeming too small for them. But when they had the big one, I think they just let it go because of this mind games or ego that they had. So now they're wondering whether the sun is ever going to shine again in their life. They do want to take back control though. Yes, they want to take back control. They want to speak the truth because they know that their soulmate connection is now in jeopardy. They are going to lose the best thing that's ever happened in their life if they don't take back charge, take back control, and come and speak the truth. Now, will they? I don't know. So, anything else, Spirit, for person B? They find their partner very, very loving, caring, sweet, beautiful, and they want to be the emperor to this Queen of Cups, or the Empress. Is almost the same thing, right? And they are clear. They are very, very clear of who they want. They also know that without this person, they can never be satisfied with any other love. Let's see what's happening in your mutual energy then. Nine of Wands. Page of Cups. This is the same card I put back because I said I didn't know whether it was going to come straight or upside down. It is upside down. From another deck, it's come out again to say, hey, I wanted to come out earlier. You put me back. I'm back. And this is in reverse. So, and the Hanged Man. So things are still a bit stuck because I don't think this person has geared up the nerve to come and apologize. Because maybe this person A, the Empress, I think is keeping herself very guarded and very protective of her energy right now. So things seem to be a bit stuck right now, both on Hanged Man's place. Nine of Wands, Spirit. Nine of Wands. Somebody doesn't know how to penetrate into this huge fortress that has been built around. Yes, look at this. Holding back. Both people are holding back and both kind of in limbo as to how are we going to ever make this work again. Or at least person B is wondering how am I ever going to cut through this fortress of wands and kind of re-enter the energy of this Empress who's very guarded and keeping herself very protected right now. So Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Page of Cups. Somebody is very, very stressed out. Somebody is, after this conflict that has happened between the two of you, I think this person B, I think is, maybe both of you are in your head right now, I don't know. But I don't think, I think things have become that bad that person B is feeling, what kind of apology can I ever give now? What kind of an apology can I ever give? Even though deep in their heart, they know that this is my soulmate, they want to have a fresh new beginning, but something is still not allowing them to come forward with this apology. I'll clarify this. This is a theme which has been on for some time now. Why are they still in Hanged Man's place, Spirit? Why will they not apologize when they know? Oh. I think they want to remain single. They feel that if I, one second. Yes, exactly what I was thinking. They feel if I say sorry and if I have this fresh new beginning, then I'll have to put in a lot of work, right? This is the work that this person really can't put or doesn't have the time to put. They would prefer to be single. They want to see what else is out there all the time. Maybe, no, I'm not saying they want to see the other options, or maybe they do. They want person A to be in their life while they can see what else is out there. But they want to do it from a single space, right? They fear commitment. And they know that if I go back and apologize and, ask for a new beginning, then I may have to take it to the next stage, which will be commitment, and then it's going to end up in a long-term partnership and forever and ever, and then I'll be stuck. Yeah, I think this feeling of feeling stuck is there. That's the reason I think person A is still not taking action. So, anything else, Spirit? This person wants their person and yet they don't want to commit. That's the problem. Like, this is my number one, but then I don't mind the number two, number three as well. Yes, this person is a player, Libra. Libra, this could be you, this could be a person, I don't know. This person wants to remain single and be a player forever. They fear commitment. They see right now, because person A is not in their life, they don't like these 3-4 cups that were coming towards them. I don't know where they've gone. So they're not finding those exciting. But once they have person A in the bag, they still want to then go out and check out those cups. So this is the force, okay? And then there are 4-5 cups under this. So once I have this, then I want to play with the others. But if this is not there, those little cups are too little for me. I'm not interested. They're boring. Where's my big cup? Where's my big cup? So they want to have their cake and they want to eat it too. And person A is not playing anymore. I think that's the reason person A has withdrawn their energy and no longer giving to the connection. So that's all I have for you, Libra, at least for the second half of January. Let's see what happens next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.